This free TradingView indicator doesn't just print buy and sell signals. It builds the entire trade, your entry, your stop loss, and 3 profit targets already drawn for you before you've clicked anything. If someone had shown me this indicator when I first started trading, I could have started catching profitable trades like this, and like this, much sooner. Look at this long signal here. The white line is where you enter, the red level is your stop loss, and these 3 levels above are your targets, TP1, TP2, and TP3. You can take profit at whichever one suits you. I trade a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So, on a trade like this, I'm closing right here at the second target. Nothing measured, nothing drawn by hand. The tool is called HalfTrend Signal Engine by BigBeluga, and it's completely free. Now look at this line running underneath price. This is your trend guide. When the line turns green and prints a long label, the market is moving up and that's your buying opportunity. When it turns red and prints a short label, the market is moving down, and that's your selling opportunity. The label appears on the exact candle where the direction changes, and at that moment, the indicator gives you everything needed to plan the trade. That alone is most of what you need. So if you find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. But there's one more thing on this chart. Look at this table in the corner. This is the indicator keeping score of its own signals, and right now it's showing a 67.18% win rate. At a 1 to 3 risk to reward, hold that number in your head, because later I'll show you exactly what it's measuring. And this second table up here is monitoring 5 different markets at once. I'll show you how to set that up in a minute. Now let me show you how to get all of this on your own chart. Go to the Indicators tab at the top of your chart and search HalfTrend Long Short Signal Engine. Check the author name before you click, because there are other HalfTrend indicators on TradingView, and you want the one published by BigBeluga. Click it once, and it loads straight onto your chart. It's free and open source, so you don't need a paid TradingView plan for any of this. Close the search window. Now open the settings with the gear icon next to the indicator name, and go to the Style tab first. Remove the ATR high and ATR low bands. These add 2 extra lines around price, and you don't use them for anything in this system. The more you leave on the chart, the harder price is to read. In this same tab, you can change the line thickness and the colors if you want, but I'm leaving those alone. Underneath that, you'll see Graphics Objects. This is where you can switch off the tables completely. If you want a clean chart, I'm keeping mine on, because that's where the win rate and the 5 market momentum readings live. Now go to the Inputs tab. Amplitude, channel deviation, and base risk all stay exactly as they are. These are the calculation settings. They control how the line reacts and how far the levels get placed, and the defaults are already good. Leave them alone. Below those, you'll find the multi-asset scanner. This is what fills that second table. Type your own markets into these boxes, and the table updates for you from this one chart, so you never have to click through 5 different symbols to see what's moving. And that's the whole setup. Notice what we actually changed. We removed 2 lines, and we picked our own markets. Every calculation setting is still on default, so nothing you just did affects the signals themselves. Now let's go to the chart and walk through some real trade examples. There's one in here I don't take, so watch for it. Here's our first trade. The line flips green while this candle is still forming, but nothing appears with it yet. No label, no entry, no levels. That's where most people go wrong, because they enter as soon as the line changes color. The candle finishes, and now the long label prints below price with the entry, the stop, and the targets drawn in. So the color is your warning, the label is your signal. We enter at the white line, our stop is the level underneath, and we leave it exactly where the indicator put it, because every target above was measured from that stop. Our target is the second level. Price pulls back once, holds above our stop, runs through the first target and keeps going, and the second one gets checked off. Let's move the chart forward from here and see what happens. And here we go. A short label prints and the line turns red. The candle closes. We enter short at the white line. Our stop sits above it, and price drops straight through the first target and into the second one. From there, it just keeps going well past everything the indicator drew for us. Now this one I did not take, and it's the most useful signal on the chart. After that short played out, price bottoms out down here and starts climbing back. It pushes up to this high, gets rejected, and drops back down. Then a big green candle pushes up through the line, the bar closes, and a long label prints with the entry, the stop, and 3 targets drawn above it. On the rules alone, This is a valid buy, but look at where the first target sits. It's right at that high, the same level price was just rejected from. So this trade has to break through the level that already stopped it, just to reach the first target. And I'm not exiting there, I'm exiting at the second one, which sits even further above. That's the rule. Before taking a signal, check where your target sits. If a swing high or a swing low is in the way, skip it and wait for one with clean space in front of it. Watch what happens. Price never gets near that level. It drifts sideways for hours, then breaks down and falls well below where we would have entered. Then the market gives us this. Price breaks down through the line, and a short label prints with the whole plan drawn below it. And look at what's underneath this one. Nothing. No swing low in the way. No level that price has already been rejected from. Just clean space all the way down to our targets. The candle closes, we enter at the white line, our stop sits above it, and price walks straight down. First target, second target, and we're out. It carries on past the third one after that. Same indicator, same rules, two signals almost back to back. The difference was what sat in front of the trade. Now let's go back to that table in the corner because I told you we would. Watch what happened to it while we were running through those trades. The win rate moved, and the number of wins and losses kept climbing. That's what this table is, a running record of how past signals resolved on this symbol, on this time frame, with these inputs. It is not a prediction. Change the market, change the time frame, or change a single input, and that number changes with it. This video is for educational purposes only, and nothing here is financial advice. All charts shown in this video are from TradingView.com. Trading carries risk and you can lose money. Test everything on a demo account first and always make your own trading decisions.